And good morning, everybody. Today, we leave Dallas, Fort Worth, and head north. But before we do, I do have a couple stops I want to make. Parking Miranda downtown is not going to be fun, but I want to check out a few new things in Fort Worth today. So, trying out a couple new cameras. Same view on me, but out the window now I brought the camera down so that there's no cord hanging. And a brand new SJ4000 because my other one finally crumbed out on me. But I got 4 years out of that SJ4000, so feeling good about it. Jax is under my seat resting right now. And real quick, if you look above my head back here at the side of the slide that usually goes out, you'll see the sticker residue, which has magically shown up. Not really. Previous owner put stickers on, and then they didn't get all the residue off, and when I was in the desert, the dust and wind came and collected. So that's why they kind of appeared out of nowhere. I need to get some goof off and get that sticker residue off, and then that'll look a lot cleaner later. But for right now, let's go downtown Fort Worth. All right, it is no different parking Miranda than it was Yoda. It's exactly the same. It's a couple feet longer, but really, you gotta park a little bit farther away from everything. That's just how it goes. It's no biggie. As a traveler who vlogs and, you know, works from the road, I do find it easier to not really get on the road until after 10 a.m. and try to be done by 4 p.m. That way, the 9-to-5ers that need the roads and clog the roads, I'm not contributing to clogging traffic. And plus, it's a lot easier to drive an RV through a non-congested traffic area for me. So I usually don't like to get on the road before 10, even if I'm up at 6 with coffee. Okay, everything's big in Texas, we get it, but these boots make me look tiny, let alone this huge chair. How tall this chair is. It's a butterfly catcher. Some butterflies up there. Interesting. Doesn't say I can't climb on it. There we go. I feel tiny. Okay. Let's keep walking around Fort Worth since I already paid for parking. The Fort Worth Water Gardens. Interesting. It's really pretty here. Aerated water pool. Where is everybody and why is this here? This is pretty. Huh. I'm not sure you can see the rainbow that I can see. Wow. Okay, part of it's definitely under construction because this isn't doing anything. I don't know what it was supposed to do, but it's not doing it. A bunch of police officers over there on bicycle. That's the mountain, that really old structure back there. And we'll walk through the trees here. What in the world is this place? It's like a man-made waterfall of... This is right downtown Fort Worth, by the way. Never knew this was here. Takes up a whole city block. Oh, that is strange. This is one of the weirdest things I have ever seen in a city. Unfortunately, I walked a little too far today. My time expires in 30 minutes, so I got to get back to the RV real quick, but that is so strange. I love it. Missing a wheel simulator. It came off a few blocks away, and luckily I stopped here and talked to a Fort Worth officer. He said, if your wheel cover comes off while driving, you're not liable or anything like that, but I was thinking about going trying to find it, but there's just no way because I have no idea where it went to. So right now, I'm gonna have to get a new wheel simulator so that it matches the other side. Right now, it's gonna look kind of ghetto. Darn it. All right, Dallas, Fort Worth, you're keeping a piece of me. Yep, back to eating like a bachelor. Hot dogs and tater tots. It's actually kind of hard to believe that there's going to be a big storm. Right now it looks sunny and nice at 70 degrees. It's really nice outside, but it's coming. They are sure it's coming here in North Texas. So I'm going to go north, but I'm going to stay just on this side of Texas today. There is a one more Thousand Trails campground. This will be the last one for a few months actually, for sure. But I might as well go plug in, be safe, get water, dump the tanks, do laundry, do all the stuff I gotta do. And it's bad weather, so I'd rather be somewhere safe for this one. So I know I said I was gonna do more boondocking, but right now, like I said, the last 1,000 trails on this route. Wow. Really crunchy leaves. This is Lake Texoma 1,000 Trails, and this is the nicest 1,000 Trails resort campground that I have been to in this system. This is amazing. I barely got my awning out because of the tree, but all my slides are out, levelers are out. This is camping. Crunchy leaves. I'm gonna step over to this other campsite over here. It is full hookups, but I'm nestled in the trees here, and I really like it. This place is super quiet and not too busy this time of year. Like I said, storms are coming tonight, so I'm gonna utilize this time to go check out a little bit of this. I'm gonna put my swimming trunks on and my sandals. Go see if that hot tub is very inviting over there. Does the kitty want to go outside? Let's go outside. Yeah, it's a good spot for the kitty. What do you think, man? Some crunchy leaves, huh? I know, right? That's what I was thinking, too. What do you smell? Outdoor nature stuff, Dad. Lots of outdoor nature smells. All those smells, yeah. I'm gonna go check out the clubhouse and the pool, okay? I'll be back. But you didn't feed me first, Dad. You already had 3 meals, dude. Stop. I'm flat out impressed by this place. There's some juicy ones on there. Ugh. I need to clean old Miranda here soon. Flat out impressed by this campground though. And Miranda looks good all tucked into the woods like that. Man. I was texting with old camper van Kevin there. I think might be getting some snow where he's at. No spoiler, but you should go check out his channel. He has moved on from the ProMaster and got himself a new RV, and I won't say anything. I'll put a link up here you guys can click on, or a video at the end in the credits. You gotta see what camper van Kevin and the Wolfpack are traveling in now. Cracks me up, man. Also, he's really close to 50,000 subscribers, so if you guys wouldn't mind, if you're already watching him and you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button on Kevin's channel. Help him get to 50,000, guys. It'd be an awesome milestone for him, and he deserves it. And you know, I mentioned that I paid extra for the Encore Edition to 1,000 Trails, but honestly, I always prefer the actual 1,000 Trails campgrounds to the Encore resorts. You know, because it's just really well themed, you know. It's always got that woodsy feel. It doesn't feel like a resort until you go over to the pool. And the reason why I wanted this loop here, the B loop, was because they have an adults only pool. I don't think that means it's a nude pool. I think it just means no kids can use this pool. And it looks empty. It is completely empty. It won't be like this in July. That's awesome. Hey, I'm gonna enjoy this, guys, because it may be a while till I get to an RV resort with a pool. This is a heated pool here, too. Closes at 10 p.m. Ooh. You know what? I'm eyeing this spa first. Oh, wow. Let's see. Oh my gosh, that's warm. Warm! Oh, that's warm. Alright, I'll be back in a few hours. Really? Now you like the couch? No, I know, I understand. It's weird, but I guess you can get comfortable? Yeah, hi, I love you too. This guy. So, now that it's gotten dark, we got a couple TV stations, but I don't want to watch any TV tonight. But I'm gonna Chromecast some animated Trailer Park Boys. And I know there's a bunch of controversy right now because Trailer Park Boy fans don't like the animated series. They don't like the idea of it. Hey, have you ever actually watched it? It's actually really funny, guys. They can do so much more that they could not do in the normal TV show. And it's actually really funny. There's like a lot of butt anal jokes and stuff, and I know it sounds like toilet humor, but no, it's actually really funny. So I was hoping that Jackson and I could watch some TV here, and maybe you could get comfortable or something. I know. That's my nose. Yeah, that's... okay. Okay. So, I think we're gonna watch the TV up front and watch some Trailer Park Boys animated series. Yeah, that's the plan. Alright, guys. From Jackson and I, we will see you in a few days, and we'll be heading north on 35. I know, but your ear, can you flop it down so I can see over? I know, but I gotta see over you to the TV, for the views, All right, you know what? We're gonna watch Cat. We're just gonna watch Cat tonight. Okay, let's watch Cat.